In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Task Management to help your ADHD. We'll set up a simple ADHD-friendly daily planner in Trello using a ready-made template so you can spend less time organizing and more time doing. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. From here, look for the Create button near the top. Click it to start a new board. You'll see two helpful paths. Create Board lets you build from scratch, while Start with a Template gives you a head start. For an ADHD-friendly setup, templates are great because the structure is already done. Choose. Start with a template, then select Explore Templates. A gallery will appear. Use the search bar if you like. Typing terms like daily or tasks can narrow things down. To find something personal and lightweight, open the Personal category. Inside Personal, select the Daily Tasks Planner. This template provides a clear, minimal layout with lists ready for day-to-day planning, which reduces decision fatigue. Click Use Template to copy it into your account. You'll be asked to name your board. Type a title that motivates you, something like Daily Focus or Today's Plan. Then pick the workspace where you want it to live, especially if you keep home and work separate. When you're ready, hit Create and Trello will generate your new board. Now, make it yours. Rename lists so they match the way your brain works. Many people like brain dump, today, doing, and done. Open a card and add a short verbs first title like email landlord or book dentist. Keep titles short to reduce overwhelm and use the description for details. Add checklists to break tasks into tiny, doable steps. Checking boxes gives quick wins that boost momentum. If a task truly must happen on a certain day, add a due date, but avoid overscheduling to keep pressure low. Color labels can signal energy levels or time needed. Green for quick wins, yellow for medium, red for deep focus. As you work, drag only one or two cards into doing to prevent context switching and move them to done when finished for a satisfying visual reward. If the template includes extra lists you don't use, archive them to keep the board calm and simple. Aim to brain dump first, choose just a handful for today, and review briefly at the end to reset for tomorrow. That's it. Your ADHD-friendly Trello board is ready. Keep it simple, keep it visible, and let the board cue your next step.